Hey besties, it's your girl Gracie and I'm back with another video. If you're new, thanks for stopping by, and if you're not, welcome back. So guys, it's currently January 2nd and it's like 11 o'clock whatever, and today we're supposed to go thrifting. Okay, so we're gonna try, y'all, because I want to change my whole wardrobe. Like, I hate my wardrobe right now. Like, I just want better pieces in there because I just have like pieces that don't go with nothing, and it's just so irritating. And I'm trying a little to get in my fashion era, but not too much, okay, but just a little. Like, I need a little better wardrobe. So I'm gonna try to go thrifting because my sister is a thrifting freak. Like, both of them actually, they know what they're doing. Like, they be finding pieces for like $1 and they be like good stuff, and when I go, I don't do that. Like, it's so bad. But we're gonna try it. I'm gonna go to this different one. It's like the outlet, whatever, I don't know, y'all, but I'm gonna show y'all it, but I don't know what it's called. But yeah, so today they have like the 50-cent deal. Like, yesterday, Monday was $1 and today is 50 cents. So what? Everything 50 cents. We're gonna at least go try and find some pieces for my wardrobe and just whatever I want, and we're gonna see how that goes. I haven't been thrifting in so long, but we're gonna try and see how that goes. And I also wanted to go get some groceries, but I was kind of thinking about I'm moving my hands too much. But I was thinking about ordering them online because I don't know, I just don't want to go in the grocery store and look for it, and it just seems so easier. But I gotta go and check because it's from H-E-B, and I never did H-E-B. I ordered mine from Walmart, but I never did H-E-B. My sister do H-E-B and they be like missing items when she goes, so I'm like, because y'all not gonna play with my money. But yeah, I want to get some groceries because I was gonna cook for y'all, well, cook for me, but you know, y'all can watch, because I need to get back into my cooking stuff, like, for real. Like, I was cleaning the kitchen yesterday because I was like, I need to get back cooking. The thing is, I don't like the kitchen, and that's why I don't cook. I realized I have to like it to cook in it. I don't know. And my apartment kitchen is like, I don't like it, and it's so unorganized because like everybody's still moving in. Like, we still have a new roommate and we have not been able to like figure out where we're gonna put everything. So it's like utensils, bunch. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna try to get the groceries so I can cook for y'all. And then thrifting and groceries is pretty much the only thing that we have on the schedule today because I have work later today, like later. So we're gonna try to do those before I go to work. So yeah, we're just gonna see if I've already gotten ready, having a little breakfast. So we're about to head that way soon. Guys, look at my last minute Christmas gift. My sister just bought it to me, y'all. These was sold out so bad. The Stanleys was sold out in every color, but any pinks was sold out, and she got it for me. So I'm so excited. I'm gonna be a Stanley girl now. I love it. I wanted a cup so bad, like so bad. But y'all, so we're gonna head to go thrifting right now because I fell asleep, and yeah. But yeah, we're gonna go. So see y'all at the thrift store. Okay, besties, so we made it. It's a little crowd here today, which is good. I mean, they probably got something going on, something good. So yeah, I'm about to just head in and we're gonna see what we find, and hopefully I find some stuff. Like, I'm really just looking for some more bottoms, like sweats and stuff like that, but like cute sweats, you know, and maybe some long sleeve tops. But like, I'm just looking for like the simple but cute thing. So we're just gonna go in and see what we find. So come with me. Okay, y'all, so I just finished. I tried to show y'all, but while I was in there, but this is the bag that I got. I think I got like 15 items, and y'all, it was at least $7.50. Like, I tried to show y'all in there, but $7.50, yes, it's literally 50 cents per item. So that's a really good deal. And I found some really good stuff. I had to like follow people. I had to follow like the little black girls that was in there, or like some people who had on nice outfits. I was following them, and they was leading me to the right spots because at first I was not finding anything. Like, I'm telling you, I was all misses. Like, I wasn't finding nothing. I was like, oh my gosh. And I started following them, and then I found kind of like brands. Y'all, I found Pink Tights, like Pink Tights the brand, and I found Fabletics, y'all. it's some stuff in there. You just gotta dig and you gotta know what you're looking for. So once I did that, I have found some better stuff. But yeah, so now I'm gonna head to get some gas and go to HEB so I can get the recipe stuff and all the ingredients so that we can do some cooking. And it's like 3 o'clock, 3 something right now, and so I do have work at like 6:30. So if I can't cook it, we'll just do it another day or after work. But yeah, that was a good little shopping, thrifting day, and getting back to it. Like, I hadn't been thrifting since I was a kid. When I was a kid, I used to be throwing stuff in a bucket. Like, so that was really good. So a good first experience. But yeah, we're gonna head to HEB now. So see y'all there. Okay, y'all, so we made it to HEB, so I'm gonna go in and grab the ingredients for dinner. This not even like tonight's dinner. This is gonna be like a meal prep that I'm gonna try to do. So it's okay if I don't do it tonight, because I might give me some sushi from here to eat. But yeah, we're gonna head in, so. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to just eat my sushi while I look up the recipe for my little meal, because I kind of forgot it. And I got it from one of the Wicked Twins on their YouTube. So it's like steak bites and like a roasted potato and some vegetables on the side. So all I really need to do is cook the steak bites, but I need to go back and get the seasonings. And then it's like a little foil method you can do too. Obviously, you got to cook the steak, but then you put it, the vegetables and the steak in a little foil and you bake it. So it's real easy, but I'm gonna try to look it up while I eat and then I'll show y'all me doing it. Y'all, so why I just taste tested one of the little pieces of steak because it was real little, so I was like, let me just go ahead and eat it. Y'all, it's hitting. It's because of that seasoning though. It tastes like steak, bro. And I realized I didn't get the right cut of meat, but it's still steak. But I didn't get the right cut, but it's still good. So the last little batch is cooking, and then I got the vegetables in the microwave, and then we're gonna bake them. And yeah, that's what we're gonna end it on. Okay, besties, so I finished my little meal. I didn't eat it all though. I just kind of put it in a meal prep container, whatever I didn't eat, but it was yum, yum, yum. And I need to get some more ideas. I got that from the girl, the Wicker twins, but I also be getting them from TikTok and Pinterest. That's what I meant to say, Pinterest. That's where I really be getting them from. So yeah, I'm gonna be trying some more meals and I'm gonna be showing y'all so y'all can cook with me and whatnot. But I wanted to do like a little thrifting haul really quick. Not the whole thing, but just show y'all my little favorite items that I got. So we're gonna set that up before I go to work because I need to go to work soon. So I'm gonna just show y'all my little favorite items real quick. So okay, so first is these pink tights I was telling y'all about. And y'all, they come all the way down to the ankles. I know y'all can't see. And it's a size medium and they fit good. And pink is quality. I don't care. Pink says quality. Like these are stretchy and 10 to 10. So that's one of my favorites. I had to get y'all some more light so y'all could see these. I don't know if y'all see all the way. I'm too tall. But y'all, these are some cute flare yoga pants type of vibes. They are too cute. Like they fit perfect. And they come all the way down and they're really like flare. Can y'all see it's giving yoga mom? It's giving. Yeah. Okay, next is the Fabletics tights I was telling y'all about. And they super tight. But y'all, they looked really small, so I didn't know if I was gonna fit them, but I was able to fit them and they come down all the way. And I see why y'all like these. They feel like skin, but like they're a little too tight for me, but they're cute or whatever. Yeah, so they're a little big, but I found me these little cute stiff pajama bottoms. And then y'all, why I found a top that basically matches. Like it's too cute, and I love silk and I love me some pajamas, so I need way more though. So I was like, let me get these. Okay, so enough of the bottoms, onto some tops. But I'm gonna just show this top because I only got like 2 sweaters and this is one, and it's basically like it's a cute little sweater I could throw on with the yoga pants. And basically I have a bunch of pants just like this, so it's a lot of pants that can go with this top. So that's how I had to start shopping, because if I just shop the shop, like if I just like the top and get it and I don't imagine an outfit with something I already have, then I'll never wear it. So now that I imagine the outfit already, boom, period. But yeah, so that's just my quick little haul of what I got. I'm gonna wash the clothes and then I'll be styling them and yada yada yada. But yeah, that was a little successful thrift store trip, I think. Like for the first time back, it was pretty good. So okay guys, so it is time for work. We are work already. I'm about to head out. So see y'all then in the car. Y'all, look, it is raining so hard on the way from work. Like I already can't see at night. Let's pray I make it home safe, child. Okay, basically, so I'm just not making it home. It is 10:30 pretty much, and y'all, I almost died in the rain. Almost died. It was dark, raining, and like the freeway was like low-key flooded. So I was like, I already can't drive for real. I just barely be making it, and it's doing too much. But I made it home, so I'm gonna go. I gotta chat with my parents really quick, and then I'm gonna go. Like, I'm gonna be knocked out. I'm so tired. My head is hurting so bad. I'm so tired. This was a long day. I don't know if it's gonna feel like that when y'all watch it, but it was a long day and I did a lot. I think this should be a long vlog because like I did a lot today. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. We did thrifting, cooking, work, all of that. It was a nice little day. It was very productive. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoy. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye, besties. It's connected to you.